Hi guys, this is 10th October and this is my video journal entry for today. काफ़ी मुश्किल में बना रहा हूँ ये बहुत नींद आ रही है but need to make it. Today was not such a peaceful day. I was not feeling that well. काफ़ी frustrated सा feel कर रहा था. It happens to me sometimes. तो पर तो भी I woke up at around 5 today. So Aj was cardio, so I had to go for a run. So I waited for my cook first. He came and he made the food. Breakfast में he made sandwiches, paneer, cottage cheese, onion sandwiches. Then for lunch he made French beans curry, and for the night yesterday's food was left. कल का पनीर और दाल बची हुई थी तो वही खा ली. So this is the food part. Yeah. So I decided that I went for a long walk jog today. I walked some 14,000 steps today. Burned a lot of calories. So, yeah. So walking has become my like. So whenever I feel a little low or something, I just go out for a walk. I like fucking an indefinite walk. Just keep on walking, walking, walking. And I have started liking it. It is much better than all the other coping mechanisms like drinking or something. It's better to like just walk. So yeah. So I walked a lot today. So you guys can guess that I was not having a good day. Feeling very frustrated, and basically I have not moved on from that relationship because that girl had really done like cheated on me, and she had made so many promises and then she just fucking left. And the way she left, and she never also accepted that she cheated on me. She just said that yeah, my emotions got over and all those things. And the thing is that this October month last year only this all happened, so these memories are just coming back to me and I'm feeling very low. So so that is why I was feeling frustrated, but I did not go back to my earlier coping mechanisms like doing the unhealthy stuff. I i stuck to walking. I walked, and I walked a lot. It was nice, and it felt nice that I could even all my impulses were so strong. I did not fall for them, and I controlled myself. Control as in I disciplined myself. That is important. See, the thing is that you motivation to control. Today it is there, tomorrow it may not be there. But if you are disciplined, you know, if there is no motivation, still uh, I will walk the right path. That is very important. And another thing that I did and I have learned is that if you're feeling frustrated, you need to change your environment. So I went to this cafe near my house, and I have to study for my certification. So I sat there and studied for my certification. I yeah, and I studied for like 1.5 2 hours, and it was good productive session. So yeah, that thing worked. So it was a tough day, but tough days only makes you stronger. So yeah, if you don't give in, the thing that does not kill you only makes you stronger. So that I would say you need to tough it out. You कहते हैं ना हिंदी में कि जो सोना है वो प्रेशर में ही, मतलब सॉरी, कोयला है जो प्रेशर में ही डायमंड बनता है. Like coals under pressure only they transform to diamonds, and if you want to become a diamond you need to take the pressure, the mental, the physical, everything. So yeah. And also one more thing that I got today, I just discovered today, is like pain patches. So I have put like this pain patch on my shoulder, and I have this recurring pain on my shoulder, and like, so these pain patches, so I have read on internet, so these pain patches have some side effects, but this patch I'm using is a herbal Ayurvedic pain patch made of a natural thing, so it does not have much side effects and it is very effective. I have put it on my shoulder for the last 2 hours, and it has that like cooling and hot. So it first cools the area, and then it create produces heat, and it is looking effective. I have put two, so you should not put more than three at a time, and not for more than for 12 hours. So these are very strong, and these are a little, they may have side effects, so you need to be very careful using them, but they are effective. And when so I exercise every day, right? And I can't, like, these chronic pains affect my performance, so I need to find a solution for them. uh, so yeah, so that is why I have done a lot of things for them. I have been stretching and applying topical creams, pain creams, but they haven't worked, so I thought that let me try this. And like this is kind of an investment only, like investing on yourself. And instead of splurging on yourself, you should invest on yourself. I think that is the lesson I'll take from Rich Dad Poor Dad. Even investing on your health, and investing on learning and all those are just creating, you are creating assets, and you need to create assets. So yeah, on that note, I'll give 6.5 out of 10 for this day. I had all the that this day had all everything to break me, but I did not break. So yeah, yeah, I should give it a 7. Then. Yeah. So yeah, good night, guys, and see you tomorrow.